Mr. Kate here. I'm about to go up and offer people free furniture. I actually feel very awkward about this, but anything for interior design. Oh, he's sitting. This is good. Hi. 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 Sorry. Hi. Do you mind if I ask you a couple questions?
Sure, go ahead.
I'm Mr. Kate, and I have millions of followers online because I do interior design. Is there a space in your home that you could use some help with?
Like, help me how?
Like come over and like help you pull it together. We have a furniture line, so I could like bring you some free furniture.
Free furniture for my house?
Yeah.
Okay. Like, what's the catch? What's the catch?
A suspicious guy. I love it. I just want to help people pull their spaces together, use some furniture.
I think like my books actually. It's like a little chaotic. I've got like books in the bedroom, books in the living room, books in the kitchen.
Book fan. Me too. Yeah. High five for books. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so they're all over your floor.
Yeah, basically.
Okay. We believe that, people should enjoy their homes. And right now your books are on the floor. They're not enjoying life, right?
Okay, that's fair. That's fair. Sure, why not?
Okay, can we come over?
Like now?
That's my husband, by the way.
Okay.
I'm not like awkwardly hitting on you.
All right. Okay, sure.
Okay. What's your name, by the way?
Really tall.
Yeah, he's really tall. Mo, okay. I like your colors. Wait, let's talk about your style.
I like just kind of like simple designs overall. I kind of like blues. I like just kind of like some modern like architecture. So I think that's why I've struggled to figure out what do I want to do with the books, because it's been a bit overwhelming to find something that fits the kind of broader style I have for the house.
Modern, blues, organized. Love it. Oh, this is nice. Yeah. I see you have style. Oh, but
yeah,
books.
Some books down there.
There's a pile of books by the entry. This is a great office, but I can totally see the problem.
I've been giving away a lot of books just to like count down on the room. I've tried creating some of these floating bookshelves over here, but clearly I don't have enough space.
It's not enough. But I see like you weren't lying about the color. You've got like bluey, kind of like a mint green wall, and then this. Did you paint this?
Yeah.
Okay, I love it. So you're not shy about colors. I feel like seeing all these colors and words everywhere, like it's like a little cluttered looking. Like what about some like slightly concealed storage? Are you open to that?
Yeah, absolutely. For me, it's more about like functionally, like where can I put them? I don't necessarily need to like have them out as like a
staring at you.
No, yeah.
Okay.
Judging me for not putting them away. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for randomly inviting me over to your place. I'm excited to pull this together for you. I'm gonna take some like measurements, pictures, and then we'll bring you something to make this different.
That's amazing. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Okay, nice to meet you. Bye. I'm so excited about Mo and his room because I love books and I love organization, and those books are just screaming to be put somewhere. They're on the floor, poor babies. So we are going to do this quick fix, random stranger style as we've been doing it. So like give ourselves just a little bit of time, focus on one area of the room and just see what a big change we can make. And also don't forget, this is our double giveaway series. So the things that you see us give Mo for free, you guys can enter to win for free. And we've already had 2 episodes up. So if you haven't, go check those out. And we are also announcing the winner of those things in the description. So enter, stay tuned. We have more free things coming at you. And yeah, let's go get booky and organizing. My juices are flowing, ew! Okay, buckling up to go to Mo's, and since I've already been at his space, I know what I wanna do. We've got storage for his books because, oh my gosh, he has so many. And it's not actually a bold color, but it's kind of like a unique color. We'll see if he likes it. Hello, Mo.
So nice to see you.
So good to see you. Oh my gosh, I forgot how tall you are. Are you excited?
I'm very excited.
Yeah. We're only gonna be here for like an hour. We're just doing a quick fix. Yeah. But I know that you have to work a lot today, like calls and stuff. So can we have the office?
Yeah, no, absolutely. Help yourself. I'll go hide out in the bedroom or something. Just give me a ring when you're done.
But you know what? I have one craft thing that I might want to do with you. Is that okay?
What are you
What are you thinking?
Yeah,
it's okay. It'll be great. It'll be great. Oh, your phone's ringing. Okay, thanks, Mo. He doesn't like crafts. Okay, so we gotta figure out this.
This thing?
Joey, I don't even know what this is, but it has goggles. Oh my gosh, is this a virtual car?
Is it virtual?
Yeah, well, I assume so.
Oh.
Well, you know what? I don't want to touch this because me and electronics are not friends. The problem we're solving in this room quickly, easily, is giving him storage over here for all of these books that are literally stacked on the floor. So this is just a little something that I want to do. Taking cues from the colors that are already going on in this room.
Yeah.
You know, we have the Luna cabinets that just came out in the Lilac.
Oh, that's bold.
2 of those here against this like minty green. He's already established like the purple going on.
Why are you whispering?
Like, I don't know, he's on a call. I don't want to, I'm just gonna put him in here and hope that he likes them.
Okay. Go bold or go home.
And then he likes like pop art vibes, so we could do a little like some cute canvases over there. Maybe we'll bring in a little area rug. He's got this very random chair sitting here. Maybe we can make it like a reading chair, maybe over there.
All right, good. Let's do it. Ah!
I'm taking a bit of a risk here, giving Mo 2 giant lilac cabinets, but he has so much color going on in that room already. And these in this lilac is just so beautiful. You guys love these Luna cabinets too. So many of you have bought these, so thank you. They're just amazing for organizing so many things. We now have 5 colors of them. This lilac is brand new and it's just beautiful, pale. It's so chic. It's gonna look so good in this room.
It takes a nuanced person to go, ooh, that's a nice lilac. Not, you gave me purple cabinets?
It's not purple. It's lilac. I love this fluted glass because like he'll see like a hint of his books. It'll have like a nice little diffusion. One of my favorite things about these Luna cabinets is the fluted glass because it is semi-transparent, so it obscures enough of what's going on and can make anything that you store in there look beautiful, including a random collection of books or a jumble of hot glue guns and paint supplies. So how do you feel about painting?
Like, you want me to paint or about you painting?
I brought you here to watch me paint? No, I want to paint with you, Mo. I noticed in the rest of your apartment, you've got like pop art vibes going on.
Yeah.
I personally think pop art is one of the easiest genres
So no pressure.
to start with.
Okay.
No pressure. So we'll do like an all blue one, and then I think we do like a red and yellow one, and that'll play really fun with like the kind of pastel walls you have. Like it's like pop art cuteness. Okay. Cover it.
That looks blue. That looks blue.
That looks gorge. I'm all about like easy and forgiving painting.
I'm not gonna lie, I was definitely worried when you told me we were gonna be painting. But
I could tell. Okay, blow dryer. Thank you. Look, oh my gosh, look at the color of your blow dryer. Is this your blow dryer?
Yeah, I think so.
I'll let you know when they're dry. We've got our base colors drying, and now we're just gonna introduce a couple other colors or maybe some texture on top, keeping it minimalist, but pop art, easy, manly, cute. I'll make this so easy for you, Mo. I'll draw a balloon with pencil, and then you can just fill it in.
Let's do it.
Nice, keep going, don't doubt it. Yep, good. Yay! Perfect! You wanna sign this one?
Sure.
Ooh, confidence, I love it! Okay, oh my gosh, thank you for getting artsy with me. I'm proud of you.
It was fun.
Yay, I'm glad. Was it fun?
It was fun.
I'm so happy with how these turned out. Like the colors are beautiful. They're gonna look so pop art with our pastels, and we just added a little texture, and it took literally minutes to do. And I don't care what Mo says. He's a playful guy because hello, he has a race car with goggles, and he's gonna like his balloon art, okay? And his purple cabinets. Grounding the space with color and texture and coziness is a braided oval rug. I love that it has literally all the colors of the rainbow going on in here, but it still has like a muted vibe to it. This is a great way to balance all the color that's going on elsewhere and obviously in his book collection that we can see through the glass. And we can lay this down and then put the virtual race car.
Bring it in, Mom.
Part of our rug cuddle.
Hey, Moon, you want a rug cuddle?
No.
Okay.
Only if we have cookies.
No.
Only if we have cookies. He's ruined. This is me and Mo. All right, this is a good bookshelf styling tip. Instead of shoving them all back to the back, like this is, books are different depths, so then they're all like staggered. Pulling them out so that I can line up all the fronts. And it looks so much tidier. Bookstore chic. Using one as like a platform, I think looks cool. All right. I think we're ready to show Mo. I'm obsessed with how this turned out. I mean, remember before it was like clutter. It's just not the vibe to work in. He works there every day, all day long. So now it's organized, colorful, and clean. Yay! The books are happy too. Come on in!
Oh, wow. Love the rug, too.
Yay! I'm so glad.
Wow, cool.
Organized.
I mean, but look at those paintings.
Enough
Instant
about the
classics.
books.
Hey, look at that corner. There's no books.
There's nothing there.
I've never seen such a clean corner.
I have a carpet in here. That's
Yeah.
okay. That's cool.
We haven't seen that
You
part
learn
of the carpet in a
something
while.
new. Yeah.
We're just doing quick fixes, right? Like bringing in a piece of furniture that solves a problem. So you need it too, because of all those books. But I also feel like the layout, we kind of mixed it up a little bit, and I feel like it's just cleaner, a little more organized.
Yeah, I like
Yeah?
it. I see like you brought the desk in a little bit and
Yeah.
kind of moved the plants around.
And then your race car?
Yeah,
Is that what it is?
it's a work thing. It's a work thing. Yeah.
Oh, it's a work thing?
Totally reasonable. yeah.
Yes, okay. Well, anyways, now you don't even have to put the goggles on because you've got the view.
Yeah.
And then the
Well, thanks,
chair,
Joey.
which you randomly had in here, is now your little reading spot by all your books.
I love it. You did a good job. Thank you.
Aw, thank you. Bye, Mo. So because this is our giveaway series, since we gave Mo these Luna cabinets, one of you will win a Luna cabinet as well. And we have other colors. So go check out on our website which color you want and comment below. And also, you can go watch this video on the other platforms and comment there too and enter multiple times. We love it. We'll see you next time. We're doing a bunch of these. Yay! Bye!